Hi, welcome to Geometry 2, also known as Off-Track Geometry. My name is Jessica Holman, and I am your student's geometry teacher. I am in my 18th year of teaching, 11 of which are here at CHS. When I'm not at school, I enjoy spending time with my family and friends, running, walking my dog Max, and driving my kids to their activities. My contact information is on the right-hand side of the slide. If you or your student needs anything, please do not hesitate to reach out via email or phone. I will respond as soon as I am able. A typical day in our classroom includes a DMR, short for daily math review, review and practice of previous lessons, notes over a new topic, and additional practice. Homework is assigned on days in which a new lesson is learned. All of the information for our class is housed in Canvas, our class website. This is a screenshot of the home page. Modules are where the day-to-day lessons and practice can be found. Students can check their grades in Canvas. Canvas syncs with PowerSchool every evening around midnight. Canvas grades and PowerSchool grades should be the same. Our online textbook can be accessed through Canvas. Students have a textbook workbook in class that we use on a fairly regular basis. Class information and my contact information can also be located on the home page. If you click on modules, it will take you to the page that houses our day-to-day activities. I have modules broken up by week. If you click on the page with the date and lesson, you will find the learning intention and success criteria for the day, as well as completed copies of notes and the homework assignment. The link directly below each day is the Canvas practice assigned for that particular day. Students who are absent from class are responsible for checking Canvas for completed notes and practice assignments for the day they were gone. The grade breakdown is as follows: 25% formative assessments and 75% summative assessments. Points are broken down into graded Canvas practice, classwork and participation, and assessments, which are the tests and quizzes. All assessments are scheduled in advance. Students will have ample opportunity to learn, practice, and review topics during class. Occasionally, performance on an assessment is not up to a student's standard. If such an event happens to occur, relearning opportunities are available. Students who actively participate in class, complete required practice prior to the original assessment, complete the original assessment on time, and give an authentic effort on the first assessment are eligible to participate in the relearning opportunity. Students should speak with me on an individual basis if they feel a relearning opportunity is needed. Per Indiana state law, students are required to put away all electronic devices, cell phones, earbuds, computers, smartwatches, etc. during class time, unless otherwise instructed by the teacher. In geometry, students will be given a numbered pocket on the wall caddy to put their phones. Students who refuse to adhere to this policy will be referred to student services. Please see the information on this page regarding the device policy. If a student needs geometry help outside of class time, I'm available several hours a week, both during SSRT and before school Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays from 8:25 to 8:55 a.m. Please encourage your students to stop in and see me if they feel they need some extra help. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please reach out if you have any questions. I expect this to be a great year. Thank you. Bye.